Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
One, go.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over pros and cons of stackable units versus unitized. Right here we have a stackable unit. Right here, this is our unitized unit. You have your dryer up top, as you can see, and you have your washer down here. The pros and the cons is really just going to be what kind of space you're dealing with or what you want to use. I'm going to go over here to the stackable unit. So as you can tell, dryer, washer, but we have this whole user interface that controls both of them. Now, not all units are stackable. If we come over here to this one, these two are not going to be able to get stacked. Now if we pan over here, we have these two units. Those you can stack. As long as these have the front controls right here, and they should have most of them do have a stacking kit, you should be able to stack those. So one major thing that people will get a unitized unit for would be space, apartment, tight fitting closet. They just don't have the area to put a washer, dryer next to each other, or it might not have the room for a stackable unit. These ones are full size, so they're a little bit bigger. The unitized can go in a 24-inch, 27-inch, and some other sizes I do believe. But it all comes down to what space you're dealing with. If you don't have enough space in your house, take some measurements, come see what is going to work best for you. But they're still going to operate the same. There's no major drawbacks, and there's really no major pluses either. They're both going to function well. It's just what your preference is and what you're able to use in your house. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.